for a young one.
I didn't know that. That was the funny thing. I didn't know that.
So today we're hanging out at Disneyland and checking out all the awesome plants. Cool they are. All the different lands have really cool themed plants, and Valen's gonna talk about it. What is this, Valen?
Something from Australia or something. So, what I've noticed is that the plants in Star Wars Land tend to be plants that obviously look the least earthy. So they'll get plants that don't have really recognizable leaves like regular oaks or like sycamores or maples or things like that. And they also try to go for more muted greens, like more grayish greens, and a lot of like more succulent-y or at least more drought-tolerant plants, because those plants usually have more outlandish-looking structures to their leaves. Well, it's kind of not a good example, but like right here, I don't exactly know what they're related to, but those back there.
Oh, that?
Yeah, it just looks like it. Even though it is something that is recognizable, it's still kind of different compared to what you usually see in landscaping. In addition to that, the fact that most Americans, besides for Californians, Hawaiians, and Floridians, live in areas that are much colder where it snows, and a lot of these plants that are more tropical or subtropical are pretty unusual. That makes it so that everyone that comes over to California to see Disneyland or Disney World in Florida is kind of, they haven't really seen these plants as much as people that come from the areas where the plants are actually from, so it's more just unusual.
This is strange. All those plants?
Iris.
It is?
Yeah. Or a horseshoe or something. Not horsetail.
What is it?
There's an aloe tree.
Aloe tree.
So there is a cork oak from the Mediterranean or like European area, and they make corks for bottles out of that. The bark kind of splits and grows really, really thick, and they just peel it off and make it into corks.
Cork.
Familiar with it, but I think this is cottonister or cotonister, whatever other people say.
Catoni aster.
No. Or maybe bearberry.
There's a flower. It's cute.
So there is a plethora of live oaks over here. So there's this one, this right here, there's some back there, all over there. And it's really cool because the birds from here, California, know how to use the live oak because they have symbiosis with them. And so in this area, even though there's sounds of alien animals around, there's the sounds of native, actual California bird species too, and it's really cool because you can hear all the different animal sounds. I love it. These are the creeping, crawling acacias. I like them a lot. They're super soft. So I don't know the exact name, but those right there, there's a few of them around, there's one over there too. They're at least related to madrones or blueberries also. This one right in front of the road there too.
Is it
Right there. And here. So, I don't know the exact variety because it doesn't have any flowers, but these are the graveillas. These right here. Or proteas. This is a paper bark eucalyptus, and you can tell because the bark is papery.
Paper. The leaves look scaly, otherworldly.
I believe that these are Dracaenas right here. I actually just planted some. And of course, in an imaginary landscape, you need to have imaginary plants as well.
Is that fake?
Yeah. We got some New Zealand cabbage trees, and then a coral tree, which is so cool. Bunch of begonias, and then these really interesting purple fruiting plants. I'm not even sure what they are, but the color is just so wild.
Look, there's a flower.
There's some right there, maybe you can get a video. So I'm not sure. I know that there were the really super rare Australian Wollemi pines here, and I feel like those might be the sticks from them.
The ones around our neighborhood?
Wollemi pine right there. Super rare, endangered.
Wollemi pine?
Yeah, it's not doing too well. I don't know why. Maybe it's too hot? Or I guess it was kind of cold this winter too. But it should be back. I mean, the top is shooting some new leaves out. Here's a protea, but it looks like it's already going into seed. But yeah, there it is.
That looks like it's from another planet for sure.
Right here is its cousin, I believe. The
Cousin
Grevea.
of the protea?
I believe so.
Grevea?
Kind of looks like shrimp. I used to always call it shrimp plant. At least this variety.
Oh yeah, Jorge needs to pick us up tomorrow. I forgot. Can you do this?
Here's another Grevea.
Grevea.
What these are called, but they are so perfect for this land. There's a desert spoon right there.
Which one's that? Oh.
So I originally thought that this was a palo verde, but it's actually not. It's an acacia, and you can tell because if you look at the flowers, they're tiny, tiny little yellow circles. And there's spines all over the wood too.
I don't get that. Oh yeah.
This one looks really otherworldly. It's a, you can call it a lot of things, like a silver dollar eucalyptus. I've seen that. There's two eucalyptus that have silver circular leaves, but this one's the more weird looking one. It goes sideways. And leaves go in 4 directions. Not Fibonacci.
Yay!
Back in there you can see a kapok. It has green wood and spikes. And if you look up, there's a cotton ball. It has pink or white flowers.
Oh! Shoot, I can't. Do you know what this one's called, Valen?
Nope.
You have to make sure that it's paid.
I don't exactly know what it's called, but Australian bottle tree.
Hello, everyone.
This is some sort of bottle brush. There's a cousin it.
Oh, yeah.
I love it. To me, this looks most similar to the California fuchsias, except this one's white instead of red. Or the firecracker fuchsias, I think they are, something like that. This is a Bodhi tree. I know it's a type of ficus. I think that's a hummingbird nest right there.
Hummingbird nest. Maybe. Whoa.
So these are the coral trees. For some reason the word Cockney is coming into my head, like the area that it's from. I forgot exactly, but I believe it's from Australia. But yeah, it's not the other coral trees that have the more like, not the ones that are related to beans, not the lagoons. There is a weeping bottle brush. Another acacia.
Acacia?
Yeah.
I love the little lamps they put in there. It's too dark.
Affirmative.
These right here are the leguminous, I don't know, coral trees. And then there is a flowering
Oh my gosh.
bromeliad.
Whoa, it's like teal or something.
Yeah,
There's liquid inside there.
it's so cool. It looks like these are aloes, but they're not. It's a bromeliad down there. I just thought that this forest looks really cool. The coral trees, the grevilleas, the acacias. I think that's another coral tree back there. The pines in the back. It's like a whole bunch of different plants from places that are not near each other, but it makes it look like an alien ecosystem. I don't know what that is. So these are sansevierias, the tubey kind. So they're very cylindrical. Very cool. And then this vine, I have no idea what it is. This one right here. Oh! It looks like, if you look at the flower, it looks like the orchid tree flowers. And yeah, the leaves look like orchid tree leaves too, which means it's a legume of some sort.
Oh yeah, look at the little swirl right there.
Yeah.
Cute.
Look behind you. That looks like a mallow, I think. I forgot what it is. I think it's a desert willow or desert something.
But we're not in Star Wars land anymore. We're where? Between Frontier and Fantasy. That's an acacia. Oh, it looks so cute. So flat. Tell me about the plants in Fantasyland.
They're supposed to be themed for kind of more northern. So there's deodar cedars, there's Canary Island pines, there's ipes, and these are all trees that are actually more tropical, but since they look like they're from the north, they use them. Just because they'll grow here.
What do you mean by northern?
Northern European.
Why? What does that mean?
That's just because the stories that are in Fantasyland usually take place in Europe or America, and the places where it at least gets a little bit of snow, so things like palm trees and, well, normal subtropical, tropical trees don't grow, but plants like pines or broadleaf oaks, those kinds of things do grow. So,
what stories are you talking about, and where are they located?
Snow White, Germany; Aurora, France; Cinderella, France; Tangled, Germany; let's see, Frozen, Norway.
Peter Pan.
Peter Pan. Peter Pan's Italy.
No, it's England.
Oh, Peter Pan, yeah.
Yeah.
Pinocchio, which is what we're going on right now, is Italy.
Okay.
Atlas Cedar.
The roses make it romantic.
I found this plant, and it's just not in the ground at all.
Good job, Disney.